Hello student, I've received a lot of queries related to the topic how to prepare a fixture in knockout tournament. So that is why I'm come up with this tutorial help. Hopefully I'll clarify all your doubts related to this topic. So let's start with this topic. So knockout tournament can be classified into three categories: single elimination tournament, we also call it single knockout tournament, double elimination, and consolation tournament. So first start with the single elimination tournament. So single elimination tournament means a player team once defeated gets eliminated from tournaments. So in other words, we can say no second chance is to be given to the losing team. So single elimination tournament on the basis of questions is to be asked can be classified or can be differentiated into three types. So type 1, type 2, type 3. तो हम क्वेश्चन के बेस पे इसको तीन टाइप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं सिंगल एलिमिनेशन टूर्नामेंट्स को. तो टाइप 1 जिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन इसमें कवर होते हैं, द क्वेश्चंस आर सिंपल सिंगल नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट. एंड सेकेंड टाइप में हम कवर करेंगे सीडिंग सिस्टम एंड थर्ड टाइप में हम कवर करेंगे स्पेशल सीडिंग क्वेश्चंस. सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद द टाइप 1 जिसको कि हमने नेम दिया है सिंपल सिंगल नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट. टू एक्सप्लेन दिस टाइप ऑफ सिंगल elimination tournament, we'll take an example of 11 teams here. So first, how to draw a fixture, we'll start with a working note. So first working note which we have to start with the number of matches to be played in the tournament. If I am being the organizer, so I have to decide the schedule. So schedule हमें decide करना है, so I have to know कि मुझे कितने मैचेस कंडक्ट करने पड़ेंगे. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू नो हाउ मेनी मैचेस आई हैव टू कंडक्ट एंड कितने टाइम में मुझे ये कंडक्ट करने हैं. तो नंबर ऑफ मैचेस निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला है नंबर ऑफ टीम्स -1. सो नंबर ऑफ टीम्स हियर इज 11. 11 - 1 इक्वल टू 10 मैचेस. सो इफ 11 टीम्स आर देयर, सो आई हैव टू conduct 10 matches in the tournaments. Is it clear now? So now second working note which I have to make is the number of rounds. कि number of rounds कितने खेलने पड़ेंगे. So if I am being the team of the tournament, so I'm interested to know कि मुझे कितने round के बाद I will be the winner of this tournament. तो number of round calculate करने के लिए there is a formula 2 की power n. 2 की power n means कि here n is the number of teams. So if number of teams are in the multiple of product of 2, so for example if the teams are 8, 16, 4, 32, so these in this case the number of teams are exactly in the power of 2, so there will be no problem to find out the number of rounds. We can just put here 4. So 4 means 2 की power 2. If 8 is their number of teams, 8 2 की power 3. If 16 teams are there, so 2 की power 4, 4 rounds is to be played. If number of teams are 32, 32 means 5 rounds is to be played in that tournament. But here number of teams are in 11 numbers, so 11 is not in the multiple of a power of 2. We cannot convert it into. Then हमें जो सोचना है वो सोचना है किस वे में. We have to think about the next highest power of 2 in comparison with the number of teams. तो number of teams हमारी 11 है, तो next highest power of 2 will be, अगर हम 11 यहाँ पर रखते हैं तो next highest power will be 16. तो 16 will be the number here, figure here. तो we have to put here 16. तो 16 means 2 की power 4. तो 4 will be the number of rounds we have to play here. So is it clear? I hope. Second working note. Now start with the third working note. Third working note is required when the number of teams are in odd number. अगर number of teams even number में, there is no need to calculate this working note number 3. So here number of teams are in odd number. 11 teams are there, so we have to calculate, or we have to find out the number of teams in 2 halves. So we have to divide the team into 2 halves. So formula is number of teams in upper half. So we'll divide it into 2 half, upper half and lower half. तो नंबर ऑफ टीम्स प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाय 2, तो नंबर ऑफ टीम here is 11, 11 plus 1 divide by 2, तो 6 team will be in the upper half, and number of teams in lower half, number of teams minus 1 divide by 2, so 5 teams will be in the lower half. So start with the step 4. So step 4 we have to calculate the number of byes. So number of byes, the formula is the next highest power of 2 minus number of teams. So why we have to calculate number of byes here? Because the number of teams which we have given is not in the product of multiple of 2, that is why we have to calculate the number of byes. अगर number of teams जैसे कि मैंने number of rounds में बताया 4, 8, 16, 32 है, there is no need to calculate this step, तो straight away we have to start the fixture. But if the number of teams are not in the power of 2, then fourth step is required. So in this case 11 is not multiple, that is why we are calculating this or number of byes. So formula, I hope formula is clear to you. 11 teams are there, so next highest power will be 16, so we have to put here 16 minus 11, so 5 byes is to be given in this tournament. So number of, now again odd number, if number of byes in the odd number, then another step we have to find out, that is the number of byes in upper half में कितनी बाई देनी है और lower half में. तो upper half में बाई देने का फॉर्मूला है number of byes minus 1 divide by 2, तो 5 minus 1 divide by 2, so 2 byes will be given in the upper half, and number of byes in lower half formula is this, so 3 byes is to be given after calculating this, so 3 byes is to be given in the lower half. To make it easy, I'll give you a table. In that table, draw 2 columns, number of teams and next highest power of 2. This table is helpful to you when you are just thinking about the next highest power of 2. If number of teams are between 5 to 7, 5, 6, 7, then next highest power you have to take 8. If number of teams are between 9 to 15, then you have to take the next highest power is 16. If number of teams are between 17 to 31, then you have to take the next highest power of 2 is 32. If number of teams are between 33 to 63, then you have to take 64 as a next highest power of 2. So I hope if you are just take an example of 55 teams are there, then according to this table 55 is belong to the group number of teams is 33 to 63. So then we have to take 64, so write down 64 here, next minus 55, so 9 by is to be there. If number of teams are 30, so 30 belongs to a group 17 to 31, so 32 teams we have to take 32 minus 30. So in that way you have to calculate the number of byes. So after calculating the number of byes in upper half and lower half, then there is step number 5. This step number 5 is important because we have to place the bye in the appropriate place in the fixture. So according to it, we have to just give the rule of placing the bye to the teams or the player. So first bye you have to give to the team in the lower half last team. So whosoever be the team at the last number, you have to give that bye to that team. If number of second bye is to be given in the upper half first team, third bye is to be given in the lower half first team, and the fourth bye is to be given in the upper half last team. So when you have to give the bye, you have to give them in the pair of 4, in the combination of 4 के combinations में you have to give the byes to the in the fixture. So after completing that number 4th bye, then you have to make another circle. तो 4 का एक circle और बनाना पड़ेगा. तो then 5th number bye is to be given in the lower half second last team. 6th bye is to be given in the upper half second team. So 7th bye is to be given in the lower half second team, and the 8th bye is to be given in the upper half second last team. So this rule of bye you have to follow according to the number of byes. So number of byes, when you find out in this question we have to give 5 byes. तो हमें जो ये cycle follow करना है 4 के बाद, then you have to give the 5th bye, then our cycle is closed here. bye का जो placing का order है वो हमारा close हो जाएगा. तो this 6, 7 and 8 आपको तब देनी है जब आपके question में ये required है. Is it clear now? Okay, now after that last working note, now come to the actual question. Actual question, you have to draw a fixture. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट एट द टॉप फिक्सचर सिंगल एलिमिनेशन टूर्नामेंट है, इसका टाइप है. देन यू हैव टू draw that row that is team. In second working note we have calculated the number of rounds are 4, so straight away you have to write 4 rounds, 1 2 3 4, and then total number of teams are 11, so just write the counting 1 to 11 की counting है complete कर लो. And then in third working note you have calculated the number of teams in upper half and lower half, so just place a line here after 6. So number of teams 6 are there in the upper half, so write here upper half, and after 6 below this line तो lower half है हमारा, तो write it here, no lower half. So you have divided the fixture into two halves, upper half and lower half. Then rule number 5, total number of buys are 5. So now follow the rule of giving the buy or placing the buy in the fixture. So first buy according to the rule last team, second by upper half top team, third by lower half top team, fourth by upper half last team, and the fifth by again ये cycle complete होने के बाद again start with the bottom, fifth by you have to give to the lower half second last team. और अगर sixth by होती where you have to place sixth by अगर question में हमें given होता है sixth by के लिए, तो then sixth by we have to give to the serial number 2 because rule says 6 by is to be given to the upper half second last team. So according to this rule by you have to follow. Then next step you have to start grouping the team. So leave the by the teams which have got the by they are straight away in the second round. तो जो बाई मिली हुई है जिन टीम्स के सीरियल्स नंबर के आगे वो स्ट्रेट अवे सेकंड राउंड में इंट्रोड्यूस होंगी वो टीम्स खेलने के लिए. इनिशियली जो मैच बनेगा वो है 2 3 4 5 एंड 8 9. तो ये 3 मैचेस हमारे फर्स्ट राउंड के मैचेस हैं. नाउ सेकंड राउंड तो सीरियल नंबर 1 एंड द विनर ऑफ 2 and 3 तो उनका ये मैच बनेगा. तो जस्ट स्टार्ट द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ दिस सेकंड राउंड एंड नाउ थर्ड राउंड एंड द लास्ट राउंड वी विल गेट द विनर हियर. So I hope this simple single knockout tournament is clear to you. In my next tutorial I'll cover the type 2 and type 3, that is special seeding. So in my next tutorial I'll try to cover these two topics. So okay, bye student.